Hey everybody, have you ever wondered what's your competition doing? How are they marketing their business? Well, I've got a trick for you. If you want to see what they're doing and how they're advertising on Facebook, check this out. I searched for Denver Pizza Company and found, lo and behold, a company called Denver Pizza Company. I've never heard of them, but we'll pick on them today. So I'm on Facebook. If you just scroll down on the side here, it says page transparency. You can click on the link that says see more. It'll open this little pop-up, and at the bottom, you can click to go to ad library. Now this is really cool. You can see the ads that they're currently running and then the ads that they've run in the past. So right here, their active ad started running on May 22nd. You can see that it says, nothing says thinking of you like a DPC gift card. They're trying to give you a $5 bonus card when you spend 25 bucks. That might be a handy thing to know if you're a pizza company in Denver and you want to see what your competitors are doing. If you want to scroll back in the history, you can see what they did in April, and we can even see that that's where it ends. So they just started advertising on Facebook on April 9th. If you're looking at a bigger company like Home Depot, there might be hundreds of ads that are running just today alone. So very cool tool. Maybe next month we'll hit on another one. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.